Hey, what is up, you guys? Hey, what's up, you guys? Today I'm gonna be reviewing these lenses that got sent to me, for like a, what's the word? Sponsorship kind of thing. There's another word for it. I don't remember what it is, but, this company is called Just4Kira. Lost in your eyes. But yeah, this is the box that it came in. It was just like wrapped. I don't know, it's cute. I think it's like shiny. Anyways, I haven't opened it yet. I'm also gonna be putting the lenses in my eyes, which isn't a good idea like right out of the box, but I'm gonna be cleaning them. So if you're getting like your first pair of lenses and you've never like put them in before, once you get them in, put them in the solution first and then like wait like a day or something before putting them in, because it's good to have them like soak for a bit. But I'm just gonna be trying these out. Yeah, thank you for your order. Yes, they're on Instagram. They have like, I don't know, their lenses look really cool, so I was like, okay, cool. Oh, and there's a thing on how to put them in. I already know how to do this, so. These are actually really pretty. The cases look like, oh! Okay, so these are one color. They're like shiny. And then these are the other ones. They're like colorful. So that's cool. The packaging is very pretty. These are green. And then these are brown. Did I order the green ones? I think I ordered the blue ones. But it's okay, I guess. I'll just try them anyways. And then they came with contact cases and the little eye scoopy thing. So I'm gonna use the eye scoop thing just to try it out. Alright, so this is what they look like in the case. They actually did send me like the wrong color. These are the green ones, but it's okay. These ones are the right ones. These are like a hazel. So I'm interested to see like how these go on, because I already have brown eyes. So every time I order like a pair of brown lenses to make them a little bit lighter, they just don't even show up. So see how those go. And then we'll see how light these get. Yeah, I'm gonna try them on now. Hey, so I'm trying the brown ones first. And they came with this scoop thing, so I'm gonna use it. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna use my hands. Because I usually use just like my fingers, but like it came with it, so I'm gonna try it. These lenses do come, like you can like order your own prescription if it's like low enough, but my prescription is really high, so I just got the normal ones. But if you need like the negative prescription, you can like order those. This is the left eye. Yo, I'm scared. I don't use these things. Ah! I'm just using my finger. Also, I'd just like to point out, these are natural lenses, so like the whole point is not to like enlarge my eyes like normally I would get. These are just to like change the color. These are just for like fashion, I guess. So my eyes won't like get very much bigger. They would just like change the color. I can't tell if it's in. I actually can't tell if it's in. I think it is. Yeah, because there's a darker ring around my eye. They don't change much. I thought they would. I thought they would be a little bit lighter at least. Well, that's okay. I'm used to that. Is it actually in my eye? I have no idea. Okay. I'll put the other one in. In the ad, it looked a lot more vibrant on a brown eye, so that's why I got these. Let me cry for a moment. Oh! I actually don't see a difference. I mean, I see like there's just a dark ring around my eye. Around my like pupil. I mean, they're nice. I mean, no, they're not. They're not lighter. These were the hazel ones. Maybe they sent me the wrong ones. But, anyways, these are the brown lenses on my brown eyes. They don't really seem to change anything. I mean, I guess they're a little bit lighter. Not really. My brown eyes are already this light. But yeah. Next pair. Alright, so now onto the green ones. Well, they're very subtle, but they're kind of nice. I mean, I also can't really see them, to be fair. I mean, they're a little bit green. I mean, I can see the green. It's there. It's just very faint. So, yeah, they're very natural. I mean, they're actually kind of nice. Yeah, sorry, my thing stopped recording. Alright, anyways, yeah, these are both of the lenses in. These are the green ones. I think these were actually the hazel ones that I ordered. And they got like the brown and the blue ones mixed up, or the gray ones, but it's okay. Yeah, these are like noticeably light if you like look close enough. Here. Well, we're in the light. But yeah, they're really comfortable. Like, I don't feel them. I think they're actually a really nice color. But yeah, like, I guess overall, I would probably get like lighter lenses just because it actually like shows a difference on my eyes. If you have blue eyes, maybe like it covers like enough of the like pupil area, not pupil, yeah, the colored area of your eye. It covers enough that it looks like natural. It doesn't look like stupid or anything. So I think if you got like brown lenses over blue eyes, it would look okay. But yeah, with blue eyes you could do like any color and it would look good, I think. But yeah, or dark eyes. If you have really like dark, like almost black eyes, I think these would, well, I'm not sure. Actually, they probably like show up like faint. They're quite vibrant actually. I would like to try like the really light ones to see how like vibrant they are, but unfortunately they didn't come in, but it's okay. These ones actually show up pretty well, so, and they're comfortable. But yeah, if you want like a subtle like change, I guess these are really good for that. Probably not for cosplay, but like fashion or something, or like a photo shoot. I think these would be cool. But yeah, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know. Yes, these were the Just4Kira lenses review. Yeah.